Okay, so here we are on the train from Odessa in Ukraine to Chisinau in Moldova. So I'll show you where we're just leaving Odessa. There we go, platform 10 to Chisinau. The heather's looking a little bit warm, aren't you, baby? What temperature did the thermometer say? 34. Did you just look at it as you went past? Okay, it'll cool. 34 degrees on the train while we were waiting in the station. If I pan round, there we go. The chairs are sort of wooden benches, which is nice, but the train fare was only 204 hryvnia, which is about 20 quid. 20 euros, 20 quid. Poor baby Heather's falling asleep. So the next time we speak to you is when we arrive in, hopefully in Chisinau, with all our goods and money intact after having crossed the Transnistria border.